things are kind of taught together. They are Spirillium minus, Streptobacillus monoliformis, and Pasteurella multivariatus. I have noticed that they kind of form a gradient. Gradient as in level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay. First level is Spirillium minus. Next level is Streptobacillus monoliformis. Last is Pasteurella multivariatus. And look at the Spirillium. Spirillium. So many repetition of words, so we can simply write spir, we can drop the extras. Spirillum. Interestingly, all three of them have this spirillum component. What is this spirillum? Meningitis, ulcer, because all of them are through bites, regional lymphadenopathy, rash, risk of infective endocarditis, a great response to penicillin, and actually S stands for sideways flagella, which is Amphitrachus flagella, but that is supposed to be only for Spirillum. This is not applicable to others. And this happens because all of them are through some kind of bites. So for example, Spirillium minus is, like normally it is between rats. And if a rat bites a human, then he will develop fever along with all these. Basically, where there is bite, there's a bite mark, that area can slowly ulcerate. The bacteria can travel to the nearby lymph node, and thereby we have the ulcer and regional lymph node. Exactly same with Streptobacillus, just that there is an additional component. How to remember that additional component? Strepto. What else is Strepto? Streptococcus, famous for pharyngitis. So in that way I can remember that Streptobacillus also has a pharyngitis component. This has a pharyngitis component. Okay, that is it. And another issue, Streptobacillus is also rat bite. So between rats. Now a human can get it via two ways. One is the famous bite, another is eating food with rat excreta. Obviously, eating is near the pharynx, so this one has pharyngitis, and that is why basically we call this Havern Hill fever. Now the gradient is Spirillium minus, then Streptobacillus monoliformis, then Pasteurella multicella. All of them have spirillum. If I talk about the bone component, this is almost negligible. There is present. This is highly present. As in, this has migratory arthritis, and this has even severe tenosynovitis or osteomyelitis. And then there is additional. Nothing in addition. Pharyngitis in addition, and cellulitis in addition. As a matter of fact, okay, before we proceed, I forgot to tell you, this was rat, this was rat, this is the dog and cat. So dog-cat cycle is maintained. If any of them bite, that goes to human. As a matter of fact, over here, most common cause of cellulitis following dog-cat bite is Pasteurella multicella.